Ream Batteries is the first battery manufacturing company which was set up in the GCC. We are present across 50 countries, right from South America to Western Europe, Eastern Europe, entire Africa, Middle East region, and South Asia. We are exporting 85% of our production, and we also have the widest product range in the world. We produce over 180 types of batteries from a single facility.
There are 35 cable manufacturers in the GCC. We are among the biggest, and the only way to sustain this market position is to focus on quality. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai obviously is a very iconic building where you find our cables. But at the same time, also in the UK, the new terminal in Heathrow has our cables inside. To be able to supply cables to this kind of iconic projects is a very good reference for us, and is also convincing customers in the region that our products are quality products.
Some of our major customers in the UK who were supplying bus fleets in the UK, they found the buses in the UK, especially if you look at some place like London, the double-decker buses, they run probably 14-15 hours a day, and they stop at the traffic signal, knowing the London traffic. And therefore the batteries don't get enough chance to get recharged. And then at night, the buses are taken to the depot, the lights are switched on, and the buses are cleaned. Again, the battery gets drained. And therefore, these required batteries which could really work in such harsh circumstances, and the conventional batteries were failing. And they came to us and we developed batteries which could work. And currently we have developed batteries for Hong Kong, where in addition to this same kind of traffic and other loads, the buses are also air conditioned because of the Hong Kong weather. So they found that none of the batteries were really lasting beyond 12 to 13 months. Our batteries have lasted over 24 months.
Innovation is very important in the company, and because of that we are now a substantial company that is exporting 60% of the sales. We have recently built an R&D laboratory where we do long-term testing. And long-term testing is a way to prove the quality of our cable by testing it for 1 year and then making a prediction of the lifetime of the cable for many decades. And this is a way to also inform our customers that we are supplying a quality product. Definitely exciting times in Oman. There is a lot going on, not only in Oman itself, but also in the region. Since our products are used in the infrastructure projects in the region are booming, and that is the reason why in this factory is only realized less than 6 months ago, and we have plans at the other side to even build another facility.
We have more investors are coming into our area, and our occupancy in our existing area is increasing up to almost 100%, especially in Muscat and Suhal.
One thing I can tell you, you can't find a more business-friendly government than Oman, anywhere in the world.
No, the relationship with the government obviously is very important, and it is also very direct. Oman is not a very, very large country, so that means that we have very direct contacts with the government officials, and the government officials are usually very helpful in helping us. They understand our problem. They come even to our factory to see what we are doing and how we are doing things, and whenever we face problems we have very direct access and experience a very good help.
We are now powering the London transport. We are powering some of the major defense forces, including the British Army, the Gulf Defense Forces, and all this nobody would have thought would be feasible to operate out of a country like Oman, but yes, we have proved it. We are a globally successful battery producer. I would strongly urge everyone not to dismiss Oman lightly just because it's a small country, it's a dot on the global map, but sometimes these are the dots which provide far better opportunities than the large shaded areas in a world map.